Okay guys, we're back today, going for a build vlog. With the rig ready to go. Oh, I need to fill up some water, but almost there. We're going on this mount today. Since crazy, it hooks to anything. We got her. It's crazy what we got going here. I'll put it down. It's on like the mount that it came with, and then I stuck just like a fatty screw through and put a J hook on there. Anyways, goes absolutely hard. So this thing's gonna come in clutch today. It's got the bendy arms. Awesome. We'll hit you guys up when we get up there. Okay guys, we made it up. Quick snack break with the bar, but all the way up here. Trail starts just over there. And I'm gonna go do a quick walk all the way down because I looked at this last fall and I don't remember where I'm going. Okay, we just finished up our track work, or track walk supposedly. It's kind of rough, but there's a lot to work with in here, so I'm having issues picking where to go. But we got somewhat of a route planned out. Right here at the bottom where I'm at, I'm gonna do a drop there, and then come out to the road that goes up there. And I'm also gonna come through here and then have a kicker down there as well. So there'll be an option here, and yeah, that's what we got so far.
Desire the beat.
Okay, not too bad. I kind of had a hard hit in the front when I hit the lip. The curve, I think, is still massive through the transition. I'm deciding I'm not going to be lazy, and I'm going to try to double the lip size. So here's the before. It's not about that much. We'll try to double it because I landed right, kind of like right there. And I kind of want to be like there, so hopefully a bigger lip will help with that. So it's round 2 of the lip build. Okay guys, we got her finished through landing, got a little bit of work. got her coming right through here. She's a little rough, but that's what we're looking for. I think I'm just gonna leave this as a natural lip because it looks sick. It's pretty small, but it's better than just going smooth, right? So we got that there, and then through, and then over there. So time lapse incoming of this.
Desire to be. Desire to be.
You guys are at 4%, so we're signing her off here for day 2. Oh, we got a decent amount done through here. Here's the drop. I've been mountain goating getting this dirt. It's like the only dirt in this entire area. Okay guys, we're back at it. It's a rainy day today. It's cold. I could see my breath at the bottom. We got the toucan raincoat bundled up. We got a freshie. Look at this bad boy. Rake. Picked her up last night because we need a lot of raking done. So I'm gonna walk up and rake probably the whole track right now. And then we gotta get going down here. It's day 3. We're out here, so I think we're gonna bring her down here and aim for that stump. Might catch berm and that way. But this will probably be the end of part 1. So enjoy the time lapse.
Desire to be.
I'll just stop up above it then. Okay, sweet.
job.
She's fresh. She just hardened in, I think. So. I had that there, and then I was like, I wanted it to actually last, so gave up on that. Okay, you ready? Okay. Stop. Oh, burner into the rut. Oh my god. Holy crap. That needs more corner. Dude.